The two shutters of the Mullaperiyar Dam in Kerala were opened by Tamil Nadu at 7:30 am on Friday. It was originally scheduled for 7 pm but was delayed due to a technical glitch. The 3-4 spillway shutters were the ones raised by 35 cm each in the beginning. However, there are chances for raising the shutters to 60 centimeters. Currently, 534 cubic feet of water is discharged. At present, the water level in Mullaperiyar Dam is 138.75 feet. A notice of caution has been issued on the banks of Periyar after the shutters were opened. The water in the dam first reaches Vallakadavu in Idukki. Tamil Nadu had earlier said that water will be released so as to maintain the Mullaperiyar Dam's water level at 138 feet. It is estimated that even if the Mullaperiyar is opened, the water level in the Periyar can be maintained below 60 centimeter. About 350 families in the flood-hit areas have been relocated to 2 camps. The people's representatives, including 2 ministers, had camped in Idukki. Revenue Minister K. Rajan and Water Resources Minister Roshi Augustine were camping in the area. When the water from Mullaperiyar reaches Idukki Dam, the water level will rise by only 0.25 feet. But as the current rule curve is 2,398.31, the Idukki Dam will also be opened. Red alert has been declared in Idukki Dam. KSAB has also informed that in case of heavy rains in the coming days, arrangements have been made to release 1 lakh liters of water per second from Idukki from Sunday evening. Meanwhile, the Kerala government in Supreme Court clarified that the rule curve approved by the Central Water Commission is not acceptable. It was the rule curve prepared by Tamil Nadu that was approved by the Central Water Commission. Kerala argued that this was unacceptable in Kerala's unpredictable weather and that the water level should never exceed 142 feet. The people of the area are still worried about the floodwaters that created havoc when the Mullaperiyar Dam was opened previously in 2018. The unforeseen calamities caused by the opening of the spillways without even warning at that time had made the district administration lose control of the situation. Therefore, impeccable preparations have been completed this time. Authorities have not only relocated residents on both sides but have also set up relief camps as needed. The minister said that the barriers have been removed to facilitate the flow of water. The gates of the estates have been instructed to remain open for rescue operations. Control rooms operating 24/7 have been set up at village, taluk and collectorate levels. The fire brigade is equipped with all the security equipment, the minister said. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.